Today at BelMetric, we're going to teach you about our Norma slotted cheesehead drive screw clamps. These clamps are made of W1 galvanized steel with zinc plating. The clamping bracket structure has a smooth bridge piece to protect the hose underneath. The clamping bracket is spot welded to the band, so minor discoloration is normal. The bracket features a metric slotted head machine screw that provides evenly distributed clamping force. The listed maximum diameter for each clamp is stamped on the band. On BelMetric.com, you can find the full clamping range as determined by our in-house measurements. Here is a demonstration of installing a Norma cheesehead screw clamp. These clamps are perfect for automotive restoration, chemical industry, vehicle manufacturing, pump and filter assemblies, and many more. BelMetric.com carries these in multiple sizes with two different bandwidths, 7mm and 9mm. Select sizes with 9mm bands are also available coated in yellow zinc. Norma slotted cheese head screw clamps can be found on BelMetric.com here.